Hello guys, eto na naman tayo. So for today's video, bali, we are now on our second to the last Misa de Gallo or the 8th Misa de Gallo. So eto, gising ko lang. By the way, wala ako sa bahay ngayon. Kami dalawa ng wife ko. So uh, parang out of town or wala kami sa bahay or malayo. So ibang simbahan yung pupuntahan natin ngayon, which is dito sa it's either dito malapit sa Lanang or Bahada. So kahanap muna tayo ng simbahan na malapit. So bale, kagising ko lang. It's time now is 2:30 in the morning. Maaga masyado kasi hindi pa tayo clear sa church na pupuntahan natin, and we have to explore kung anong oras yung Misa de Gallo. So it's either baka may iba dito 4 or kung same time pa rin sa atin na 4:30. So let's find out. But before that, so prepare muna ako. So maliligo muna ako, and then magpaalam tayo kay Mrs. before tayo alis. Okay? So paano? See ya. And so here we are now. So ito, tapos na ako naligo, and then kakabihis ko na. So ready to go na tayo. But before that, today, so magpapaalam muna tayo kay Mrs. Tapos lalabas na tayo para umalis papunta sa simbahan. So let's go. Hello guys, so here we are. Galing ko lang kung saan ako galing, which is sa hotel na tinulugan namin ni wife. So walking na ako papunta sa kanto para maghanap ng masasakyan going to the nearest church here. Actually, nandito ako ngayon sa downtown area, city proper. Medyo madilim pa. It's because lumabas ako na the time was nasa pa 3:15 AM. So ito, medyo madilim pa ang paligid. Wala akong ibang magawa kundi ang maglakad na muna. Hindi ako nagdala ng masasakyan. It's because para hindi ako mahirapan mamaya sa kung saan ako pwedeng mag-park. Okay. Saan ba to? Medyo nawala ako sandali. It's normal kasi it's my first time. Kaya nag-aga ako, baka kasi may mga detour tayo na magaganap. Ito yung paligid. Medyo tahimik pa. So paano, kita-kits na lang tayo mamaya kung saan tayo na church makakapunta, and kwentuhan ko na lang kayo. So paano, see you later.
messenger of the covenant whom you desire. Yes, he is coming, says the Lord of hosts. But who will endure the day of his coming? And who can stand when he appears? For he is like the refiner's fire, or like the fuller's lime. He will sit refining and purifying silver, and he will purify the sons of Levi, refining them like gold or like silver.
Is a great power engine. Prayer is a great power engine that moves missionaries and missionary work. My dear brothers and sisters, when I say this, it is for a bigger purpose.